Good morning, students. In our previous video, we have discussed about power, which is the rate of doing work, and the SI unit of power is watt. In this video, we are going to discuss about the commercial unit of energy, which is the kilowatt hour. So electric energy is required to operate various appliances like electric lamps, heaters, refrigerators, televisions, etc. The Department of Electricity sells the electric energy to the consumers in units, which is called kilowatt hour. So if our electricity bill shows that we have to pay for 10 units, then it means the electric appliances of our house have consumed 10 kilowatt hours. To express large quantities of energy, a joule is found to be very small. Joule is also the SI unit for energy. And for this purpose, a bigger unit of energy called the kilowatt hour is used. And 1 kilowatt hour is the energy used in 1 hour at the rate of 1 kilowatt. So it is basically the amount of electric energy used by 1000 watt electric appliance when it operates for 1 hour. 1 kilowatt is also known as Board of Trade Unit. In abbreviated form, it is written as BOT. Board of Trade Unit. 1 kilowatt is also known as Board of Trade Unit. Or we can simply say unit. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 unit. Now let us see the relationship between the kilowatt hour and the joules. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. 1 kilowatt hour can be written as 1000 watt into 1 hour, and we know that there are 3600 seconds in 1 hour. So when we put all these values, we get the value of 1 kilowatt hour is equal to as 3.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 joules. So 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 6 joules. So this is the relationship between the kilowatt hour and the joules. The electric energy used in homes and industries are expressed in kilowatt hour. The electrical energy used during a month is basically expressed in units. So here 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. So I hope this commercial unit of energy, that is kilowatt hour, is clear to you. Our electricity bill is basically comes in units. So now you understand that 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour, and this is the relation between the kilowatt hour and the joules, which is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. So that's it for this chapter. Here our chapter ends. I hope you have understood all the important things about this chapter, about work, about energy and power. So that's it for this video. From tomorrow we are going to start with a new chapter.